Appears to be a primer. I don't know why it's wearing in the middle of the main shaft for, but yeah, a lot of wear in the middle of the main shaft.
Yeah.
It's the original one because it's got the big titty on here. Aftermarket, they don't put no titty on them. That's where it goes through the throwout bearing.
Yeah.
There's probably a throwout bearing in here somewhere. Usually sell the throwout bearing. Yep, there it is. It's usually how he sells this stuff.
Look at that.
That's why those forks have grooves in them.
For that little guy.
Locks everything. I can't move anywhere.
Hmm.
Makes it a lot easier to put it together too, because it doesn't fall off as you put it in.
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
never.
this is a nice one. So you check these by putting a load on it and then rotating it. See how smooth that is?
Oh wow. Weird.
And they don't have a lot of dragging like the V-twin ones do.
Yeah.
Because the V-twin ones, the bearings don't spin. It spins on the shaft, makes the shafts up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I like buying these on eBay because you get the original ones. And this thing's like brand new because this whole thing is very low mileage, this bike. And this has almost no marks on it. You see just very little
Yeah.
rubbing mark.